Hey guys, here we are, where it all began, in Arlington, Massachusetts, with YouTube videos, which we have been doing for at least 10 years, probably a little bit longer than that, and hours and hours and hours of video. And we're happy to announce, and ecstatic actually, that we reached the 20,000 plateau, 20,000 subscribers, and we really appreciate every single person that has subscribed. And just wanted to talk about a little bit about how the station has developed into what it is today. So every video that we do, we feel is informative and to the point and a little bit more serious than when we first started. We did really start, I think a lot of people in the same boat in other channels, started as kind of like kind of like lighthearted and kind of light in this particular craft and skill and other skills I've seen. The station has really morphed into more than that. It is still free, obviously. We think it's great that YouTube provides these free videos for somebody because we hear from people. We just recently heard from a young man who took our videos and actually started his own business, and he's doing quite well. I mean, I don't think everybody can do that, but I think that they're available. All the information's out there. There's more coming. We filmed a YouTube video today, which you might find interesting. It's how to change the style on a manufactured piece. So sometimes we don't actually upholster the whole piece A to Z, although we do have A to Z videos. We try to get more of those, but we do have the online classes too, so you should check that out. The online classes are a little bit more in-depth. They're a little differently. They're done differently. I think that they offer a great value that they are paid for, but if you can't afford it, YouTube's still the place as you're looking at me now. And if you are viewing this, this is a huge effort. I mean, if you can believe how much editing there is, if you've never done editing before, there's a huge amount of editing and there's a lot of back work that's done. You don't see those people like behind us, behind doing all this work, but there's a lot of work to be done. So if you're watching this, please subscribe. And thank you very much again.